Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Josie Waite and I'm here at Sibos 2017 in Toronto, and joining me is Roberto Gonzalez from Indeval, and we're talking about developments in Latin America. Thank you very much for joining me, Roberto.
You're welcome. Thank you for the invitation.
What are the challenges facing the Latin American financial community?
Regarding the post-trade industry, I think that Latin America is laying a little bit behind regarding harmonization, standardization. So within that, I think there's still a lot of way to go. Particularly in Mexico, we're working a lot to try to get global standards in the financial community, also considering that Mexico is one of the countries in which see a lot of foreign investment participating quite actively, if not most as much as the last 10 years.
What trends do you see taking shape in the region?
Regarding trends, we continue seeing foreign investors going to Latin American markets, trying to invest not only in the traditional solutions, but in other markets and on other things. And also what we've seen is ways in which we can allow local investors invest in foreign securities. So what we were able to do in Mexico years ago, but that is taking a huge push these last years, is investment in foreign securities that are listed in Mexico. We call it the global market. So now we have 1,400 securities listed that allows pension funds, mutual funds, private bank clients to invest in foreign securities through the Mexican stock exchange. So that has had a big boom. And we've seen also countries like Argentina and other places looking at this structure, similar structure, to allow them to provide solutions or alternatives for investment for the local investors and institutions.
Are there any solutions that exist to address these regional challenges?
Particularly on the standardization and harmonization, what we've been doing is working with SWIFT. For historical reasons, we had particular ways to do it locally, how we send and receive information. Right now, what we're working on in a process in which we are in the process to set up this AMH solution that SWIFT has that would allow us to standardize the way in which we get information regarding corporate events, first. Second, how we interact with foreign institutions, foreign custodians, for this global market experience that I was referring to. And third, this will allow also to have local participants or foreign participants to send us information standardized through SWIFT so that we can have one simple, effective format, and we be able to connect with the rest of the world in a very simple manner. So that is a project that might take maybe 18 months to fulfill the entire 3 phases, but I think that's critical and would really help to resolve issues, standardization, harmonization, also cybersecurity through this solution. So I think will be very helpful for Mexico, and what we've seen is also other depositories in the region looking at what we're doing to see if that will help them to attack also these concerns or challenges.
Thank you very much for joining me.
Thank you for the invitation.
And thank you for watching.